You can now make any explainer video your business needs just by prompting Claude and plug it right into the workflows you already use. This is a game changer for anyone who needs explainer videos fast and cheap. Where most content teams take about a week to make a couple of these videos, we'll use AI to bulk generate them and edit them to match our brand guidelines. Now, Claude can't make a video on its own. To get the most out of Claude, we'll use an MCP. If you're unfamiliar, an MCP is a connector that lets any AI agent like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, or Cursor reach outside the chat and use another tool directly, just like a human would. Clueso is one such tool that Claude can use via an MCP to create stunning videos. You just have to set up the Clueso MCP once, and you're good to go. You can find the setup links in the description below and a detailed setup video right here. Every prompt we use today will be included in the description too, so you can copy it and try it for yourself. Here's what we're covering today. We'll create the 5 most popular types of explainer videos right inside your AI chat. An animated explainer, a product demo, a how-to tutorial, a use case video, and a company introduction video. Let's get into it. First up, the animated explainer video. These videos are carried by animations and motion graphics, typically used for ideas, concepts, and other things you can't really record. So let's ask Claude to make one. Write in the chat an animated explainer on Acme's revenue this year. And here's a neat trick. Clueso has ready-made templates for videos exactly like these. So all we have to do is tell Claude to search them and pick the best fit to get the most polished output. Claude searches Clueso's templates, picks the best match, and builds the whole thing with motion graphics and visual effects, all from just one prompt. Here's the project it opens. Now here's the thing, Clueso already builds this in our brand's colors and style, picking all of that up from the context it has. But say we want to try something different. We can just prompt right here in the chat, and the change is made to our video automatically, without us doing anything by hand. We'll simply tell it to change the color palette to blue and gray. And of course, everything stays fully editable in Clueso if we ever want to fine-tune by hand.
Quarterly profit grew steadily from $380,000 in Q1 to $680,000 in Q4. A 79% increase showing consistent momentum throughout the year. Key focus areas going forward. Scaling go-to-market operations, expand.
Next, the demo video. These videos showcase your product in the best light possible. They show exactly how it works. And here's the best part, we don't have to start from scratch. Say we already have a rough screen recording of someone booking a stay on Airbnb. A quick walkthrough of the booking flow. We can drop that recording straight into the Claude chat, or paste a drive link that anyone with the link can view. Then we just tell Claude to polish it into a clean demo. Our prompt asks it to turn that walkthrough into a proper demo and add zooms and callouts on the key steps. Clueso reads the entire recording, the on-screen clicks and the narration, and rebuilds it into a polished demo with a script, a voiceover, and the zooms and callouts already applied. Here's the project it opens. Now, to make it feel less robotic, we open it in Clueso's editor. We can add audio tags so the voiceover sounds more emotive, drop in an avatar that lip syncs to the video to present it.
Let's say a weekend trip, the 20th and 21st. Then set the number of guests, in this case, just one. Hit search. On the left, you'll see photos of available listings.
Third, the how-to tutorial video. It's the one that answers the question your customers keep asking. Say our orders button just moved in the new update. Now customers can't figure out where to track their orders, and the same question keeps coming in. Here's a neat possibility. If Claude's connected to your Slack, it already knows what customers are confused about. It picks that up from what your team's been shipping and what support's been telling customers. So we just ask it to turn all of that into a simple how-to video. We're also dropping a few screenshots of the new UI. Clueso writes the script based on Claude's context from Slack and builds the video around the screenshots we gave it, zooming and highlighting the right parts of each one. Here's the project it opens.
Here's where it lives now. Click your initials in the top right corner and you'll see my orders right there in the dropdown. That's your full order history plus live tracking. Open any order and the status and carrier tracking sit right at the top.
Fourth, the use case video, built around your exact use case instead of a generic template. Let's tackle one product marketing teams run into constantly: feature releases. There are always more shipped features than there is bandwidth to cover, and a feature nobody knows about might as well have not shipped. So now we can make one just by prompting Claude to pull our release notes. We'll have Claude pull our latest release notes straight from Notion, pick a feature that usually gets skipped, and build a short video for just that one. Claude builds the whole thing: the script, the voiceover, and the visuals matched to that one feature. Here's the project it opens. And we can make a quick visual tweak right here in Clueso.
Press Command K anywhere in the editor and just start typing. Jump to Prompt Hub, save a clip as a component, add an animation, or crop without ever leaving the canvas. No more digging through menus. Command K turns multi-step workflows.
And number 5, the company introduction video. Here's a use case: turning a pitch deck into something people actually watch. Prospects won't read your PDF. Most of them skim it for about 5 seconds and move on. So instead of sending a boring slide deck, we turn it into a video, something a prospect will actually watch from start to finish. We just tell Claude to keep the deck's content, write a voiceover for each slide, add captions, and match our brand. Claude builds it end to end. The script, the voiceover, and the captions match to our brand. And here's the project it opens. And to finish, we drop an avatar that lip syncs to present it, right in Clueso's editor. Just like that, we're done. Remember, you can always make tweaks like this in the editor.
Do you have unorganized data and don't know what to do? You feel everything's scattered, and you're missing key data like engagement, recurring viewers, traffic sources, and so much more. But what if dashboards were created automatically? Introducing Acme.
And we're done. The best part is that every one of these explainer videos is a live Clueso project. You can open any of them on the Clueso website and do anything. Translate it, rebrand it, or tweak every effect by hand. The AI does the heavy lifting. You stay in control. So that's it, the 5 most popular explainer videos, and how you make each one right inside your AI chat. That's how you make stunning explainer videos right in Claude. This used to take a team, a real budget, and weeks of back and forth. Now it takes a prompt. It's the fastest way to create videos, and it saves you the cost of your entire content team's bandwidth. You can find the link to Clueso in the description below, and give this a shot yourself. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next one.